Today we're going to work on our two-note song, Rain, Rain, Go Away. So this song is two notes, our F and then our D, which is our F, to our D, which is in fourth position. It's about, I would say, 1.5 inches away from the bell, right? Or you could look at where the slide, the silver part and the gold part kind of line up with the bell here, and the bar is just a little farther out. Okay. Each of those notes, F and D, F is the fourth line on the staff, and then our D is the third line on the staff. All right, so we're going to play our F together. Let's try it together on a whole note. 1, 2, re, ti, and. Now you're going to try 1, 2. Here's your F. Here we go. And F, 2, 3, 4, and F. All right. Let's try it together one more time. Ready and go. All right. Now we're going to move to our D, which is fourth position. It sounds like this. Let's try that together. 1, 2, re, ti, and. Right? So you try it on your own. Here's your D. Ready and go. 2, 3, 4, and off. So now we're going to do those two notes back to back. We're going to do F for 4 counts, then D, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play it, and then you try. Your turn 2, and ready. Here we go. F, 2, 3, 4, then D, 2, 3, 4. Now, if your sound is too low, if you're playing an F and it sounds like this, right? Our lips are a little too relaxed, so we want to think about pointing the earstream up to the ceiling. So if you blow and you like hit your nose, we're going to point the ear and the ear direction upwards to get the F. So try that a few times. When we go to our D, the same thing. If we're too relaxed, you're going to get great sound, but it needs to be higher up. So we're going to think about pointing our air upwards and using fast, cold air. Okay? We're going to try this now in the song. Now, each of the notes gets 2 counts. So we're going to try F2, D2. Just 2 counts for each. Let's try that. Ready? Here we go. All right. Now the next measure is quarter notes and half notes. Try that too. And ready. Here we go. Right? So we're going to do the first 2 measures together. So we have F, then D, fourth position, back to F, F, D. So remember to bring it back into first position for the F. Let's try that together and ready. Here we go. Right? So now we get to the last 2 measures. We're again still playing F and D. F, D, D, F, F, D. So we're slicing the air with our tongue. Ta, 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 ta. Let's say our taws, and we're going to move our slide in time. Ready, and go. Ta, 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 ta. Now we're going to try and play it. Ready, here we go. And again, if you're playing really low, try to firm up the lips, but if that doesn't happen, that's okay. It's part of developing these muscles in our face as we go. So we're going to put the whole song together now. So we're going to do our F to then D, F, F, D. Let's try that from the beginning.